Good morning student, welcome back to our math session. In last session we see the quadrilaterals. Okay, today we see the information about circle, and you already know that what is mean by circle, how to draw the circle by using rounder. But today again we do the revision. Okay, so here circle is a closed figure. Okay, this is closed figure made up of only one curved line which is at the same distance from the fixed point. Okay, this is we take here, we put the rounder here and draw the circle. Okay, so this is fixed point inside it and it is called as center of the circle. Okay, so here we write here, so O, we write the name here O. To write here center of the circle is O. Okay, then so radius, what is meant by radius? Radius is a line segment join the center of the circle to any point on circumference. Okay, see here first we see circumference means this is boundary line, is called circumference. This circumference is the length of curve edge of the circle. इसकी जो पूरी लेंथ है इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? circumference. And radius means the distance between center and this boundary line means circumference is called radius. Okay, क्योंकि आप रेडियस जब सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हो तो आपको क्या दिया जाता है? द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. बाय यूजिंग दिस रेडियस you have to draw the circle. So this is fixed. Radius is distance between from center to circumference is called radius. And what is the here radius is, we write the name here OA. OA is a radius. Okay, then you remember this, the radius is a line segment that connect the center of to the point on a circle, any point. Suppose we take here point B and they join the center and this point B, then this is all again radius OB. Again suppose we take another point C and when we join these 2 points, then again this is again radius of the circle, that is OC. Okay, means radius is a line segment that connect the center to the point on a circle. So these are all line segments. So we draw her here sleeping line. Okay, and the length of all the radius is same. Okay, so here we get all same length of all radius. Then diameter. Diameter means, again you know that what is mean by diameter. So diameter is a line segment passing through the center of a circle and that has an end point lying on the circumference of the circle or point on a circle. See here, the line passing through the center. Okay, the diameter is double size of radius. Okay, see here, this is now here OB, this is center point and this will continue this line OB. Now we take here point P. Okay, so this is diameter. Okay, diameter means the line segment passing through the center. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे this is center point, here is center point, this diameter. So diameter is BP. Okay, this is diameter and this is double. Okay, see here OB and OP means दोनों क्या है? रेडियस है. So diameter always double. So what is the formula? You know that the formula 2 multiply by radius. Okay, when we find the diameter of the circle, you have to use this formula. Okay, so this is formula. So radius always double the diameter always double the radius. Okay, again suppose we take one more. Suppose we take this line. See, suppose name ST. Again this is diameter ST. This is line segment. So this is ST is the line. You remember this. This diameter passes through the center. Okay, जो लाइन पास होगी सेंटर से उसे ही हम डायमीटर बोलेंगे. Then next is chord. What is mean by chord? So chord means a line segment that join the 2 point on the circle. Any 2 point. Okay, suppose we take here point. Okay, and these 2 point join. This is chord. ये लाइन देखो कहाँ से, यहाँ पे सेंटर से पास नहीं हो रही है. एनी 2 पॉइंट ज्वाइन हो रहे, 2 पॉइंट ज्वाइन हो रहे, लेकिन ये लाइन सेंटर से पास नहीं होती. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉर्ड. सपोज वी ज्वाइन दिस 2 पॉइंट B and A. So AB is chord. This is line segment joining 2 point on the circle. Okay, is called chord. So chord AB. Suppose we join these 2 points. SC. SC again is called chord. Okay. So this type of ये chord और diameter में क्या difference है? Diameter passing through the center, but chord passing नहीं करता. Okay. So this is also diameter also is a chord, but when we so you have to write this again, BP again chord, but the 2 point means you have to write the definition. When 2 point on a circle joined by line segment is called chord. Okay, now say third, arc. Okay, see arc means this is new word for you. Okay, so ARC, arc. Suppose arc is a so these are 2 point SC. Okay, and we join this point in this way. Okay, in curve with the help of curve line. We join these 2 point. Okay, with the help of curve line is called arc. This is arc. Okay, so we write here arc SC. And how to indicate this? This type of, this is arc. So this is arc AC SC. Again, suppose we join these 2 point like this by using curve line, and we write the name here PQ. Again, then PQ, and this is arc. Okay, this arc means when we join the 2 points by using curve line is called arc. Okay, and there are again, here is interior part and exterior part. Okay, so circle also has the interior part, and exterior part. So the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc on one side and 2 pair of radii on other sides is called sector. So again, this is new word for you, sector. So when we join, now we erase this all the point here. Okay, the area enclosed entire of the circle, one side arc. Okay, here is center point. Okay, enclosed by an arc, one side, this is arc. Okay, and a pair of radii. So a pair means this is again radius, again this is radius, these 2 radius. Okay, so the area enclosed by one side arc, this is one side arc and one side pair of 2 radius. This is radius and this is also radius. So this part is called as sector. Okay, so this is sector. Sector, suppose your right is ABO. Okay, so right here we write the name AOB. AOB is sector. Okay, then, or the Now see, this is, we write the name ABO is a sector of the circle. Okay, this is one more point here. So sector means this is arc and two pair of radius. Though this inside part is called sector. Okay, now, and the distance around the circle is called circumference. This is all line. This curved line is called circumference. Okay, so we know the now information about circle. So I will send you all the information. You have to write down in your notebook. Now you have to complete the exercise 4.6. See here, 4.6 is, see, exercise 4.6 is form a figure, identify. This figure is given. Okay, then the center of the circle. Which is center of the circle? So write here answer. O. O is, write the full sentence. O is the center of the circle. Okay, this is your answer. O is the center of the circle. Then second, 3 radii. You have to write down 3 radii. See, OC. देखो सेंटर से आपको काउंट है OC. ओके, सो राइट हियर OC, देन OA, then OB. These are the 3 radii. Okay, now a diameter. Diameter means the line passing through the center. So this is center point and this line passing through the center. So AC is a diameter. AC. This is line segment. Okay. Then a chord. A chord means this. 2 point joining on the circle. ED. ED is a chord. So write here ED. Then 2 point in the interior. 2 points. Interior means inside the circle. So you have to write the point P. Okay, and point O. O also inside the, this is center point. So this point also in the inside the circle. So you have to write here point O and point P. These 2 points are inside the circle, interior of the circle. You have to draw the sign of point. Okay, dot. A point in the exterior. Outside कौन से point? See here, this point outside the circle. Point Q. Point Q. Then a sector. Sector कौन सा है? The sector is made up of this arc and 2 radii. So this portion is called sector. So how to write the name of this sector? Sector OAB. OAB. You have to write here sector. Spelling लिखना है आपको. Sector OAB. Then a segment. Segment means a segment of the circle is shaded as ED. This is called, this inside the part, this chord is called segment. Here the region of the interior of the circle enclosed by chord is or an arc is called segment. So this is segment. Okay, this is chord and this is inside region is called segment. This is one more new word for you. Okay, segment, the part inside the chord and sector, enclosed by chord and arc. This is chord and this is arc. This inside region is called segment and this is arc. This is region between radius and arc. This is region between arc and chord. So this is segment, ED. This region is called segment. Okay, so this is your question number 1. So is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So this is your question. So yes, a diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, this is diameter. So diameter again, this is chord because this is joining 2 points on the circle. So you have to write here, yes, the diameter is longest chord of the circle. Okay, if every chord of a circle also diameter? No. Diameter means passing through the center. But every chord, this is chord. एक chord pass हो रहा है center से? नहीं. So every chord is not a diameter of a circle. So diameter Every diameter of a circle is chord, but every chord is not a diameter of a circle. Okay, so now here draw any circle and mark. So here you have to draw a circle, draw a center, then radius, diameter. You have to show this type of sector, region. Okay, then this is sector. Okay, this triangle type is called sector, and this is segment. And the point, you have to write any point inside the interior, any point exterior, and arc, this type, arc AC. Okay, this is your homework. Then question number 4 is say true or false. Okay, so true and false. Two diameters of circle will necessarily intersect. See here, suppose we draw a circle. Okay, and we draw any two diameter. We take this diameter, this we draw, and again we draw one more diameter. Okay, so two diameters of circle will necessarily intersect. Okay, so you have to write here yes. Then a center, suppose यहाँ पे भी आप draw करोगे तो क्या होगा, see here, this line passing through this type, means every diameter of the circle intersect to each other. So your answer is true. The center of a circle is always in interior. Yes, the circle of this a center of the circle always interior. So again this is true. In this way you have to complete the exercise 4.6 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.